Let's begin with the poem Imagination. Now this poem has been written by George Bernard Shaw, and in this poem he has mentioned about the marvelous imagination of children. Okay, so whenever you are imagining things, you imagine that I will do this, if I am this I will do that. So this poem is all about the same. I used to play at pirates and sail the seven seas. Then I was a cowboy. Then these simple things did me please. I had a vivid imagination. Adventure was on my mind. I discovered the joys of reading and escaped the daily grind. Now he's saying that when he was a child, he used to play at pirates. He imagined these things and he said that I was a sea thief and then I sailed all the seven seas, and I was a cowboy as well. And he says that he had a vivid imagination. He had a very clear imagination and he used to think about the adventure. And how these things happened, he used to read about the things, and this way he used to escape the daily boring routine. Once I lived with the Eskimos in the land of ice and snow, went hunting and fishing, my fantasy was all glow. Now he imagines that once he lived with Eskimos in the land of ice and snow. Now we all know that Eskimos live in a very cold region and they live in houses made of ice. So he says, I imagined this thing and then I went for hunting and fishing also. I read a book of Jules Verne and went off the moon. It was just to take a look and then it was time to return. Now he is mentioning his experience when he was reading Jules Verne, and he said that by reading this he went off to the moon and had a look what was there and he came back. I spent time in the forests of Africa with Dr. Livingstone as my guide, then off again to America with Huckleberry Finn I did hide. Now he says that while reading the book of Dr. Livingstone, I traveled to the forests of Africa also, and while reading Huckleberry Finn, he traveled to America as well. This was all the thing he was imagining. As the book says, he used to imagine himself as the character. In my world of fantasy and imagination, I performed such wonderful deeds. A hero of all the nations, I was the one that did succeed. Then I grew up, my childish world at an end. I had become serious. It nearly drove me round the bend. I still do like the mysterious. This is the message I am trying to send. Now he says that in my world of fantasy and imagination, he did many things he wanted to do. He was the hero and he was the one who wanted to succeed, and he did succeeded in whatever he did. Now he says in the last paragraph that when he grew up, his childish imaginary world came to an end. And because of this, he became serious, which made him feel bad. And he still says that I like that mysterious thing. And he's saying that never lose the imagination power, as it's a wonderful quality and it gives you deep, great insights too.